know there is one tree around you that can work like a complete medical store? Yes, it's the neem tree. Welcome to Green Nature Guide 360. In this video, you will learn everything about the neem tree, its benefits, uses, scientific importance, and interesting facts. So watch till the end. Let's begin. First, what is the neem tree? Neem is a powerful medicinal tree, mostly found in India and nearby regions. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica. It has been used in Ayurveda for more than 4,000 years. Every part of the neem tree is useful, including its leaves, bark, seeds, and oil. Now let's talk about its amazing health benefits. Benefit number 1, skin care. Neem leaves help treat acne, pimples, and skin infections. It has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also helps reduce itching and redness. Benefit number 2, dental health. Neem sticks have been used as natural toothbrushes for centuries. They kill harmful bacteria in the mouth and help prevent gum diseases and bad breath. Benefit number 3, blood purification. Neem helps remove toxins from the blood, which improves skin health and overall body function. Benefit number 4, immunity booster. Neem strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight infections naturally. Benefit number 5, hair care. Neem oil helps reduce dandruff and keeps your scalp clean and healthy. It can also reduce hair fall. Benefit number 6, diabetes control. Neem leaves may help control blood sugar levels and are used in traditional medicine for diabetes. Now, let's understand how to use neem. You can boil neem leaves in water and use that water for bathing to treat skin problems. You can apply neem paste on pimples for quick relief. Neem oil can be used for hair massage to improve scalp health. Neem powder is also available, which is used in many Ayurvedic medicines. Now, let's look at some interesting facts. Neem is called the village pharmacy because it provides solutions for many health problems. It is also used as a natural pesticide to protect plants without harmful chemicals. Neem trees help purify the air and improve the environment. They can survive in very hot climates and require very little water. But remember, neem should always be used in the right amount. Excess use may cause side effects, so always take proper advice if needed. So now, next time you see a neem tree, don't ignore it. It is one of nature's most powerful gifts. If you found this video helpful, comment neem power below and follow Green Nature Guide 360 for more amazing nature